Alright folks, here comes the 8-car Yellow Line Pittsburgh Bay Point train. Arriving on platform number 2, Glen Park Station, rainy day Thursday. So, here she comes. This one's for Jack, my rail fender buddy who loves Bart. (31:15) leads off on the Pittsburgh Bay Point train. 4011, that's a troll unit right there.
May I have your attention, please? If you will hold your escape from our operation, this is a Yellow Line train to Pittsburgh Bay Point. And at Powell Street, the doors are closing. We do apologize. The doors.
This is a troll unit car I'm looking at. 4011. Alright folks, this is a Pittsburgh Bay Point train, 8-car Yellow Line, departing Glen Park Station on its way to Pittsburgh Bay Point / Antioch Station. Alright folks, there she goes to Pittsburgh Bay Point. BART trains are going very slow due to wet weather condition. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Be safe tonight.